Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss the fourth chapter of The Prisoner of Zenda. We have already discussed first three chapters, and if you have not watched those chapters, then I advise you that you must watch those chapters first, then come to this chapter. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to understand the novel. So this chapter, the fourth chapter, the king keeps his appointment. Viewers, in last chapter, as we discussed, that Resendel was visiting the forest of Zenda, and there he had a meeting with the king, and the king invited him for the dinner. And when they were eating the dinner, they were drinking too much wine, and they were almost unconscious at the end of that novel. There we had left in the previous chapter. Now in this chapter, the early in the morning, the next chapter, the fourth chapter, the Resendel tells that whether he has slept a minute or a year, he knows not. He does not know that he was unconscious, he was drunk. He does not know that how long he has slept. And he says that he woke up because he found that his hair, his cloth, his face, they were dripped with the water. And when he opened his eyes, he saw that Sept was standing in front of him, and he has a bucket of water in his hands. And when he looked at the Sept, he got little irritated, and he said to Sept that your jokes are going too long, man. Then the Sept replied that we are not here to joke, we are not here to quarrel. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and you know that the king has to attend the coronation ceremony. And the king was unconscious, and he was unable to stand, and he was lying full length on the floor. And the Fritz was also standing there, and when the Resendel got up and he saw that the king was lying on the floor, and the face and the clothes of the king were also wet or also dripped with the water, the Septes tried to wake him up, but he was unable to wake up. Resendel, looking at the king, he went to the king. He went to his knee, and he was checking the pulse. And Resendel tells that his pulse rate was alarmingly slow, and he was not in the good health, and he was very much unconscious. They all were worried. Then Resendel says that we must look for a doctor. Otherwise, if we cannot take him to doctor, or if we cannot bring the doctor here, then king will not be able to attend the coronation ceremony. Viewers, when Resendel advised that we must look for a doctor, then Sept replied that there is no doctor around in 10 miles. And he said that even 10,000 doctors cannot take him to Streltsau because he was drugged, he was unconscious. And Sept said that he cannot even move for 6-7 hours. So the situation was getting very complicated, and they were worried. Then the Fritz said that we must send a message to the public. We must send a message that the king is ill and he cannot attend the coronation ceremony. So he actually advised that the coronation ceremony should be postponed for some time. Then the Sept says that the public knows the illness of the king. He has been ill. He has such type of illness quite few times before. And the Sept also says that if the king is not crowned today, he will never be crowned, because he understands the plan of the Black Michael, the Michael who has actually drugged the last bottle of the wine that the king has taken. So he understands that what is the planning of the Black Michael. So he was actually forcing that somehow they have to manage the things, and somehow they have to bring the king to the coronation ceremony. Then Sept, the Resendel advised that if he cannot go there, then we must bring him to the coronation ceremony, and he should attend the coronation ceremony. But remember, viewers, that the king was unable to even open his eyes. He was not even able to stand up. And when Resendel advised that we must bring him to the coronation ceremony, then the Sept said that what a picture, what an amazing picture he will make. A person who is unconscious, the person who is drunk, and it will also give the bad image. So they all were worried, and they were trying to find out the way that what they should do in order to make that coronation ceremony happen. So for a while they were silent, and then the Sept says that When a man grows old, he believes in fate. The fate has brought you here, and Resendel, the fate will take you to Strelsu. Now, Sept, he says that it was the role of destiny due to which the Resendel has come here. And he says that the fate, the destiny has brought you here, and that fate will take you to Strelsu. So he meant, the Sept actually wanted Resendel that he must go and attend the coronation ceremony in place of the king. He must impersonate the king. Remember, viewers, as we discussed in the last chapter, that Resendel and the king, they were very much similar in their physical complexion. So Sept was actually asking Resendel, he was forcing Resendel that you must go and attend the coronation ceremony in place of the king. But the Resendel, he was reluctant, and straight away he refused that he cannot go there and he cannot replace the king, he cannot impersonate the king, because he will be known, the public will come to know that he is not the original king. But the Sept and Fritz, they were again and again, they were trying to convince him that they will not come to know, because both of you, the king and Resendel, you have got the very, the similar physical structure, so public will not come to know. You must go and attend the coronation ceremony. Then Resendel says that in the absence of the king, when king is unconscious, it will be, the very negative on my part to go and replace the king, to impersonate the king, and when the king will recover his consciousness, he will never forgive me. Then again there is a line, the Sept says, are we women? Who cares about his forgiveness? So this conversation goes on and on. So the Sept and Fritz, actually it was the advice of the Sept that the Resendel should go and impersonate the king. So after a long discussion, Resendel agreed that he will go and attend the coronation ceremony in place of the original king. So he agreed to impersonate the king. Then the Sept called the Joseph, that Joseph come and shave the Resendel. So he was shaved, and then he was shaved, and he was also dressed in the uniform of the king. Then the Sept was also guiding the Resendel that what things he should do at the coronation ceremony. So a type of lecture, a type of briefing the Sept was giving to Resendel. So they all agreed, the Resendel was shaved, and this is also the MCQs, quite few times it is asked that who shaved the Resendel when he was going to attend the coronation ceremony. So remember, viewers, it was the Joseph. So they all were ready to go and attend the coronation ceremony. The Resendel was shaved, and they decided that they will keep the original king in the cellar, and the old lady was also the keeper, the innkeeper there, and they tied her also there so that she could not tell others that what had happened there. So they all settled to go and attend the coronation ceremony. And remember, when they were going there, the Sept was again and again guiding the Resendel that what things the original king, now who is unconscious and who is in the cellar, he used to do. So he was giving the instructions on every part during their journey. So in this chapter, at the end of this chapter, you will come to know that they will go there by the train, and they actually their journey towards the Strelsu will start there, and this chapter ends there. So viewers, this is all which is discussed about chapter number 4, the king keeps his appointment. Now when they will reach there, what will happen next, that will be discussed in chapter number 5, and very soon we will discuss it. So thank you very much, viewers, for watching this. We will meet soon again with the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.